Hey everybody, this is Lance from thetapro. This quick video I want to show a scalping trade I did on 0DTE with SPX. And if you look on the Theta Pro indicator that I used for the trade, I'm on a 3-minute chart here. We had a sell call indication the previous day. The gap down on initial reports from economic news, and then I had a pretty down day and consolidated by the end of the day. So this is a pretty quick trade that I did. I was pretty busy today. I'm going to teacher conferences and whatnot. But at 8:58, when the market was already down, I did a call credit spread. Move my face here. So I sold a 59.20 call, bought the 59.25 call. It's a 5-way spread, and I took in good premium at 1.2 premium. And then only 14 minutes later, I was able to buy back this credit spread for 0.5. So this is a zero point 0.7 difference, or a $70 gain in just 14 minutes. And very straightforward trade. I was able to use my Theta Pro indicator to do the trade, saw how we're at the sell call, decided to sell a call credit spread. And then I went about my day, made an easy $70 in this case. So if you're interested in getting this indicator, we still have a special for the premium first time event, and you could get access in the link in the description down below. This offer ends Sunday at midnight, so if you're interested, you want to hurry up and get it. If you have any comments or questions, leave a question down below. I'll make sure to address it. Hope you guys have a good rest of the weekend, and see you guys on the next one.